Hello students, welcome to Experience Tutor YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss class 9 science chapter 1 matter in our surrounding part 3. And here is our welcome message. Before starting the lesson, please subscribe, like and share this video. Please click on the subscribe button to support us. And also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let us begin our today's lesson. Today we'll study about change of state of matter. So water can exist in all the three states of matter. So solid, ice, liquid, water and gas is water vapor. Now, how this change of state takes place? By changing the temperature. There are two ways: by changing the temperature and changing the pressure. So first we'll study about changing the temperature. So change in physical state, change in physical state of matter can be done in two ways. So what are the two ways? First is change the temperature. Second is change the pressure. So first we'll start with change the temperature. So we have seen that water can be found in all the three states. So let us take ice, and we started increasing the temperature. So it changes into water, and again if we further increase the temperature, then it changes into water vapor. So here we have to understand few terms. First term is melting point. What is melting point? The temperature at which a solid melts to form liquid at atmospheric pressure is called melting point. So the temperature at which a solid melts to form liquid at atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. So melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin, or which is equal to 0 degree centigrade. So Kelvin is a different scale to measure temperature. So 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273.16 Kelvin, and this is the melting point of ice. During melting, the temperature of the ice does not rise even through heat is being supplied continuously due to the latent heat of fusion. So now another new term, latent heat of fusion. We'll see this what it is. The latent heat of fusion is used up to the to overcome the force of attraction between ice particle. At 0 degree centigrade, energy of the water particles is much more than the energy of the particles of ice at 0 degree centigrade. So what we mean to say that? We mean to say that during melting, the temperature of ice do not rise even though heat is being supplied continuously to the due to latent heat of fusion. So you started heating ice, but it it is melting, but its temperature doesn't increases further due to the latent heat of fusion. So first let us see what is latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat the amount of heat required to change one kg solid to its liquid state at its melting point. At atmospheric pressure. The amount of heat required to change 1 kg solid to its liquid state at its melting point at atmospheric pressure. That is called latent heat of fusion. Now let us see what is boiling point. Let me explain latent heat of fusion in Hindi. The amount of heat required means to change 1 kg of solid to liquid. तो उतनी हीट एनर्जी जिससे कि 1 kg सॉलिड लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो जाए और कितने टेम्परेचर पे उसके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट के टेम्परेचर पे और प्रेशर कितना होना चाहिए एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर तो उसको लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन कहते हैं द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट उस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट को लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन कहते हैं नाउ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट the temperature at which a liquid boils to form vapor at atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. So the temperature here also temperature at which a liquid boils to form vapor at atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. So that temperature at which liquid boils start boiling to form vapor at atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. So the boiling point of water is water is 373 K. This means 100 degree centigrade. So what is the conversion? Conversion is 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 K. So 100 degree centigrade is equal to 273 plus 100, that is 373 K. In this way you can convert uh, centigrade to Kelvin, or vice versa, Kelvin to centigrade. Now we'll see the next topic, latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. So the amount of heat required to, so what is that? The amount of heat required required to change 1 kg solid, 1 kg liquid to its gaseous state. At its boiling point. At atmospheric pressure. So the amount of heat required. So what is latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of evaporation? The amount of, it is the amount of heat required to change 1 kg of solid. So change 1 kg of liquid to its gaseous state at its boiling point at atmospheric pressure. During boiling, the temperature of water does not rise even though heat is being supplied continuously, as this heat of vaporization, as the latent uh, heat of vaporization is used up over the force of attraction between the vapor particles. So this is important point again. So during boiling, the temperature of water does not rise even though heat is being supplied continuously continuously as this heat of evaporation is used up to neutralize the force of attraction force of attraction between vapor molecules. Between vapor molecules. So actually this force of attraction between vapor molecules are neutralized by the heat that has been supplied. So even if you continuously supply heat, the temperature of the boiling water will not increase beyond 100 degrees centigrade. So what more happens here? So this is water and at 100 degrees centigrade heat is supplied, and at 100 degrees centigrade what happens? Its energy is more. It gets more energy. Heat energy is converted to kinetic energy of the particle, and particle separates further and it converts to water vapor. So this is the fact. At 100 degrees centigrade, energy of water vapor is more than that of the energy of water at 100 degrees centigrade. So it changes water at 100 degrees centigrade. The water changes its state to water vapor. Now we'll see the conversation diagram. So if we draw here, this is solid state, this is liquid state, and this is gaseous state. So when we supply heat, it changes to solid state, changes to liquid state. More heat is supplied, then it changes to gaseous state. Similarly, when we cool, gaseous state changes to liquid state, and further cooling, liquid state changes to solid state. So at 0 degree centigrade, water is solid, that is ice. At 100 degree centigrade, water is gaseous state, that is steam or water vapor. And this is the end of today's topic. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Please click on the subscribe button to support us, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching our videos. Keep watching.